Now in Ghana, social and religious gatherings of up to 100 people are now allowed, with hotels and restaurants operating under new safety measures. However, bars, pubs and nightclubs still remain firmly closed. From Accra, here is CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai exploring how bartenders are struggling to make up for lost tips.
Since the outbreak of the coronavirus in Ghana, David Nyamiche's job as a bartender has been badly hit.
It's been very, very frustrating because no one saw this coming, as in the length of how it will last for.
The government has relaxed restrictions after 3 months of lockdown, but bars, nightclubs and pubs are still not allowed to open. The COVID-19 pandemic is threatening the livelihoods of many Ghanaian youth employed within the hospitality industry.
We are not generating any revenue for us to be able to pay our partners, our suppliers, even salaries enough and stuff like that. So it's been a big issue.
Ghana has not flattened the curve on its COVID-19 infections, but the government says it had to ease the lockdown restrictions to reduce its impact on the economy. But some sectors have yet to bounce back.
The throbbing heart of Accra's nightlife along Osu Oxford Street behind me would normally be buzzing on a Friday night. But with the closure of bars and pubs due to the coronavirus pandemic, this area is now very quiet.
And those within the hospitality industry are finding it difficult adjusting to these tough times.
Over 280 bartenders are currently in an association. Most of them have been laid off with no pay. And most of them are working in these big industries and big hotels. I believe they should have also given us the opportunity to operate with a laid-down procedure, with a social distancing, and also put in measures that might also not spread the disease.
Experts say business owners may have to make some critical decisions, as it's uncertain when the pandemic will be over.
Some businesses may not survive. Others who will survive will have to take a hard decision as to having a frank conversation with their staff. Do we continue to pay you at the levels that were set for you, or we reduce it to cover and elicit cost savings and maintain our business so that we can survive post-COVID enough to guarantee you a job? So there's got to be some sacrifices made on both parts.
These bartenders are afraid of losing their jobs and want the government to consider relaxing restrictions on their business. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.